Wait, I don't pass. Oh yeah, go was saying, come. It's like it's okay like this, Abby. Oh yeah, it's me. Thank you.
And the part where they do, where they enjoy pass with it. Babe. If I get opportunity come this life again, you know, if I get opportunity come this life again, Mona, I won't go with you. So I go be get rest of mind.
Hey, yes, so baby, let me tell you something.
Okay.
If I come to this world again, now you are good.
You don't bust my brain. Okay, sure you see that my house wait there for Lekki, That my house where I live.
Yes.
I dash you.
Hey, thank you.
You too much. You don't know your value.
Shut up. Which house you get for Lekki? No, tell me which house you get for Lekki. You wait if you afford 3 square meter, get house for Lekki. Anyway, even better, you better one they deceive each other. You don't paro furo.
Can't wahala with this one, say.
My husband, I'm coming.
Baby.
Benny Joko Joe. What is this? I follow you the drag. Anyway, now who carry my 2,000 naira when they inside my bag?
Hey, Eniola. If you find money for this house, for your life, don't call my name. Yeah?
I bet shut up. Who they follow you the talk? You even know the color of my money.
Some people are looking for my trouble in this house. So. Go and ask about me in Ikorodu. I dey crazy, so boya where they go.
Benny Joko Joe. Even I said I don't give you my biography before you enter this house. Come on, ma even lecture you may you know. And she dey see me so. And a small Balenciaga, and a small Fendi, and a small Gucci.
Bagbe.
What that's how I told you like I'm
Wait till you to see body now. She told you go calm down.
I'm a bad baby, go share.
Because I dey respect you.
How you dey talk am?
Because I
Oh, níwò. Àwọn náà yàrá ọ̀pọ̀ ìwọ bá wò. Lẹ́yìn kan sẹ́ńtì máa mọ́ kàn. Gbàgbé ìwọ bá wà báyìí. Oh, níwò sẹ́. Wàlẹ̀. Àwọn náà yàrá ọ̀pọ̀ àwọn náà. Wọ́n ní kò gbàgbé. Wọ́n ṣubú tì. Ìjà ẹ̀sẹ̀. Ìwọ jẹ̀ bẹ́ wálẹ̀ tì. Gbàgbé sẹ́. Ibrahim, na dey do fine art for school?
Yes.
Na dey do fine art?
Yes.
Good o. Because I know say all the parents wey dey for this Nigeria, if their pikin no be doctor, if no be lawyer, never become anything. So you sabi draw?
Yes.
Oya draw me.
They make I use cleaner draw you.
Use tape draw me. Okay. You don't know anything. Your mama just dey waste school fees. Make you use cleaner draw me. Come. Tontirin, wetin happen?
Many things happen, abeg. See those my wife wey dey house, na dem go kill me.
I know.
Na dem go kill me.
Wetin happen again?
Wait, na problem to get 2 wives. My papa as you see am so, na 7 you get.
7?
E dey surprise you. My grandpa na 15.
15 wife na your grandpa marry? You suppose marry 35 o.
I wan do am small. If I get small money now, I go add 2.
No. If you don't get small money now, just add 100.
I no fit do pass 10. You see that my house wey dey for Lekki, na just 10 room dey there.
I bet it's not a we stupid house dey for Lekki. Every time you go, they say you get house for Lekki, get we stupid house get. You dey mushi here, they rent person house. You say you get house for Lekki. Okay, forget that one, John.
They say believe and receive.
Believe and receive. Well, see your wife.
Tontirin!
Tontirin! No, now here you there. Now here you there. Answer me. Anyway, you don't wash all the bra and the pants. Why I say may you wash?
Na soap I won't go buy.
Na soap you won't go buy. Na soap you won't go buy. Now you can't start for here. Na soap you won't go buy. Now you start for here. For say na even better person you start with for say okay person when they don't dry, they don't wash, they don't even iron. He don't even dare use suit on himself again. Now you say they start with. Sorry, man, I know very sorry to interruption. I just want to know who be the person with that they follow talk. Now who talk last? Now me talk last. Who be the person? Now me talk last. Now if you come my house, come they shout to me and again I won't ask me na dey there. No, now me you they follow. Now me you open down your gutter mouth. They talk to anyhow. No, answer me. Now me you they talk to anyhow. No be you, no verse. No, you know, what did they talk? No be you, now no be you they follow talk. Come on, tell you, guy. You go better when you respect yourself, oh. I don't want to know how you be for this area. I go less you in no time. And I Majala reason Mateo. Majala reason Mateo. Oh, that's my pinuto. Memo pinuto. Memo pinuto. Magwe go kwa shade dosa. Madina papa. Okay, the simbi. That's each other. What kobo na abole brukula otonie. Oh, boy, shut yourself, oh. Ogade, finish with your useless idiot, man. Make you inside.
Why you no fit talk? See, I won't come out, eh? See, if I say they are two won't come out, nah, if they don't come out, just give me a call, I'll come back. I cannot die young.
You better make just die outside. Don't come back here. All this one they go kill you.
Call me, call me. I beg.
How na take me sef? Well, I no sure say you propose.
Kenny máa pè mí lọ síbi ìjà. Ọ̀gá well done.
Father, well done o.
I dey come out o.
You go know say no go take.
I'll come back this time.
No wahala.
All right, bye bye.
Bye bye.
One don't come out. Make I wait for the second one. Or more. Tontirin got pay me because I just sit down here. Sis. They do get my work. Hello, Papa. Tontirin. They don't come out. They don't come out.
Sagarado endo.
Oh, I say they don't come out. Two of them don't come out. Now your first wife come out before the most troublesome one come. Both of them don't come out. Oh yeah, now. Grateful.
Hello? No vex, I don't they come. Man, no come again. You won't come meet me? You sure you dey vex? I don't almost reach at the road. Okay, they come. Okay, no problem. I'll go back house then. Alright, no tell beg. But say I know now, I no go dey rush. Don't make me rush for no reason. Oh, I don't come out. So thank God. But I been think say they will start you before. If we go come back, we will meet them. Then finally they no dey there again. They no go find work. You sit down up and down.
Ada, ma.
Are you sure those your foolish wives that are not around? See, I cannot fight.
Which foolish wife?
Okay.
I don't divorce those ones since. They're not in my house again. Feel free, enjoy yourself.
Tontirin. Now you don't come back. Your wife.
Babe, I be calling you.
Sorry, wait up.
What did you do yourself?
No vex.
Talk about my
Who
wife.
be this fine girl?
Now the girl I won't marry that with this. She better pass those idiots who I put for house. So now I go out, do everything once. I rush the enter. We will do kaka before those idiots.
Yeah, go.
Shaggi!
Carry go, Tontirin! Tontirin, Dana! Tontirin! This boy, now they do himself. Tontirin, Gbewu, carry go.
They ask a person on a lost address.
The end.